Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious no-bake cookies with ease. Forget the oven and enjoy a quick treat. We will go through gathering simple ingredients, preparing your workspace, and then combining everything for a delightful result. This method is perfect for a fast dessert, requiring minimal effort and just a few minutes of active preparation time. Let's talk about the essential ingredients you will need. Grab half a cup of butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk. You will also need 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor. Finally, 3 cups of quick-cooking oats will give your cookies their classic chewy texture. A teaspoon of vanilla extract adds a lovely finishing touch. Now for the simple mixing process. In a medium saucepan, combine your half cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat and let it boil for precisely 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in your teaspoon of vanilla and 3 cups of oats. The final steps are all about forming and chilling your delicious cookies. Once the mixture is ready, quickly drop spoonfuls onto sheets of wax paper. Let them cool completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. For the best texture, and to ensure they set perfectly, chill your cookies in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your easy, homemade no-bake treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.